Kumpiyansa ang Philippine Coast Guard na makakahanap ng mas diplomatikong paraan ang Department of Justice at Department of Foreign Affairs para mapanagot ang China sa mga panghaharas na nararanasan ng mga Pilipinong mangingisda sa West Philippine Sea. Sinabi ni Commodore J. Tariela, ang tagapagsalita ng Philippine Coast Guard para sa West Philippine Sea, na buo ang kanilang tiwala sa DOJ at DFA na mapapanagot ang naturang bansa sa mga insidente na naglalagay sa panganib sa buhay ng mga mangingisda sa nasabing karagatan. Dagdag pa ni Tariela, patuloy ang pagsasagawa ng PCG ng Maritime Patrol upang tiyakin ang kaligtasan ng mga Pilipinong nasa WPS at para masiguro na ibibigay sa mga ito ang kanilang mga karapatan sa sariling teritoryo.
The Department of Justice and the Department of Foreign Affairs, together with other government agencies, are coming up with different ways to help China accountable, whether it is related to the damage to the marine environment or to the over-harvesting of the giant clams in Bahoy Masinloc. All of these are being looked into by the national government. I still trust that the Department of Justice and the Department of Foreign Affairs has significant recommendations for the national government to hold China accountable.
Aniya pa, sa ilalim ng Administrasyong Marcos, tiyak niyang protektado ang mga mangingisdang Pilipino at natatamasa ang soberanya.
The mere fact that President Bongbong Marcos still keep on mentioning that he will never surrender a square inch of our territory to any foreign power, that is what we're doing right now. We have to make sure that the Filipino people remains to have that optimism and hope that the entire government will continuously hold the line that for the next generation of Filipinos to continue the fight. And once they already have the capability to directly challenge or do whatever it takes for the Philippine government to drive them away, then so be it.
Samantala, patuloy na pinapalawak ng PCG ang kanilang mga inisyatibo katuwang ang Philippine Information Agency at National Youth Commission upang mas mapalawak ang kamalayan ng publiko patungkol sa West Philippine Sea. Para sa mga balitang Tatak Bicol, Angeline Dagta.